This video will cover installing new hatch weather seals on a 3rd generation Camaro. Open the hatch and remove the trunk cover. Remove the trunk panels by unscrewing the plastic bolts. There are 2 screws that hold the middle panel in place. Remove the trunk cover by pressing inward. Remove the 2 screws that hold the trunk cover mount in place. Wiggle the seat belt cover away from the trim. Remove the old hatch weather seal. Wipe down any debris or dirt from the channels. When installing the new weather seals, the longer end faces outward. Install the new weather strip by pushing it into the hatch pinch weld. Trim off any excess. You may have to add a dab of glue to the split. Close the hatch and look for any pinched rubber. Reinstall the previously removed paneling and mounts. Doing a leak check is a good way to check for any leaky spots. If you do find some leaks, you may have to go back and use some Weatherstrip adhesive and patch up any problem spots. I hope you liked this video. Please remember to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.